I'm Beth Rose, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today I decided to paint a paper-mache cactus that I bought at Hobby Lobby. Before we start, I just need to say that my nails look great today. So here's the cactus. It's just a simple paper-mache cactus, and I filled the inside of the pot with hot glue and sand to give that dirt texture, and then I painted over everything with a base coat. The first thing I did is covered my surface to protect it. Then I got out my brown, black, and white acrylic paint. Also grabbed my paint palette and paintbrush. To mix the color I used for the dirt, I just started with my brown and then added a little squeeze of black to darken it. To fill in the pot. Next I'm going to work on my cactus. So I just used my regular green, coated the cactus, and then did a little darker green to fill in the cracks, and then a lighter green to fill in the ridges. This gives it more dimension. Now that my cactus is more defined, I'm going to take my white paint and do the little spikes. Unfortunately, I kind of struggled with keeping my project inside the frame, so I apologize. But basically all I did is I took my spikes and I just followed the ridges down throughout the cactus, and then I did a little bit at the top. You could even add a flower if you wanted to. I think that would look really cute. But here's what my cactus looks like after I do the spikes. So now that I have that done, I'm going to start working on the pot. So I chose red, white, and blue for my colors, and I just did them in stripes. So I just painted the bottom third of my pot blue. I don't know how I did this, but somehow I didn't film the red stripe part. But basically I just painted the top ridge red, I darkened the blue, and then I cleaned up the white. Then I took the ends of my paintbrushes, dipped them into the white paint, and then made dots all over the red part of my pot. And I did this in all different sizes, and it turned out really cool actually. Finished project. I think the dots made it really cool, and I love that detail, but I also love how I added the dirt texture. I think that made it extra realistic. So anyways, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.